I, Adedamola Babatunde,
I, Adedamola Babatunde,
take you, Caroline Onawunmi,
take you, Caroline Onawunmi,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse.
For this reason, a man will leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. This is a great mystery, and I'm applying it to Christ and the church. Each of you, however, should love his wife as himself, and a wife should respect her husband.
I've never had someone that cares about me so much. And I have this woman, she cares about me. Well, she didn't care about me in the beginning. But she even started caring about me than I care about myself. You know, and I want to thank you, Caroline, for the love you showed me. You've given me everything that you know, there's more that you give me, obviously, in this marriage, but I love you. You don't know, I love you so much. You don't know, I love you more than you ever think, but I'm using this opportunity to let you know that I love you, I adore you. That's why I wanted to be your husband more than you wanted to be my wife. And I cherish you, and you know, you're just everything to me. Listen. Thank you very much, Caroline. Labi.
In the presence of God and before this congregation, Ade and Caroline have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife.
Trouble me, oh, she just bust my brain. She dey say she want my sugar cane, she dey twist my dress. Yeah, you sweet, yourself. Yeah, you turn me up, and I'm in the grace for your body, so. Tell me what I've done to you. All I did is got love for you.